Hey traders, this is Raghee here, and if you recall from the Forex in the Morning, the 4 Extra Hour chat, I gotta settle down with a name for that, don't I? It's not a 4 Extra Hour anymore, it's 90 minutes. Maybe we'll have a naming contest. Anyways, I want to record a quick video here because we're coming awfully close to the exit on the setup. Now, this is the setup that despite my nearsightedness, I was able to finally get the ticket order set up correctly. I hope some of you are checking out that one-click feature that puts the order ticket right on the chart. Makes life super easy versus having to bring up that separate order ticket and fill it out and all that kind of stuff. This makes life really easy. But remember, we'd set up the entire trade here. We built the whole thing out, got in, put our stop loss in the market, put our take profit in the market, and just kind of let it do its thing. So you can see here, we're really getting close to hopefully getting out of this position. There's a zoomed in look. Remember, it was a 1 hour swing short. Took some heat for a little while. Never really got close to our stop loss in any significant way. And we're just flirting with the exit right now. So we're just kind of hanging in there. Now you remember, I was the dragon slayer with not many dragons flying about in the air. So I took a minuscule position on this Aussie loonie. We also had that tiny little position in the Aussie Canadian dollar as well. Let's visit that and see how that's doing. Just wanted to, again, can I follow up some of our trades from this morning in the chat room? And where are we there? Let's see. So let's go ahead and get this terminal out of the way for a minute. And if you recall, the setup here was based on, you can see the sell order right there. Again, another trade that took a little bit of heat. Got the follow through that we were expecting. And I don't care if you're looking at the 30 or if you're looking at the 1 hour, you can what's nice about this is you can see the order across all your time frames. Okay, so we were keeping just a very short term look at this market. And on this particular trade, when we got the short sell, I actually did not put the order to exit in right away. Okay, get another small little trade, and we're kind of hanging out, and I wanted to show you what we do. We're actually below that initial support level. Let's blow this up here. You can see we're actually below that initial support level. I've got two orders in here. I could dump one here or I could dump them both. It probably does not matter. Okay, I was actually managing this. I was watching this large candle slice through, and I figured, you know what I'll do now is I'll let the momentum carry me through. I was actually watching it. You know, if you're not watching it, you definitely want to make sure that you have that order waiting. It's one of the luxuries of being at your desk. Probably a good idea that, hey, Raghee bent the rules, yes, but it's probably a good idea, if you haven't already, put in some sort of order now or realize a profit, which with two lots, again, these are just minuscule positions. I was just putting some skin in the game. You want to at least dump one, right? At least dump one. You don't want prices to get back into a situation where you are at risk. This is now a winner, right? So what do I want to do? I want to make sure that at very least I take this and turn it into a break even, right? That's the point. So protect yourself. So you don't want to give up trades where you're giving back capital. You want to be in a position now where you're at break even, maybe even at some point getting into a trailing if we can take out the low. But bottom line is you want to take a piece of the profit off right now. Take half, take all, whatever it is. Look at these past support levels. This is pretty much telling me where the ride stops right now. You see that? This is where this ride's going to stop. Take a look. Look at these old support levels here. Boom, boom, boom. Look at all these touch points. Okay, and that's where we are right now. So that's just a quick update here. Don't want it to carry on too long. Again, just minuscule positions, just a little bit of skin in the game. These are the two positions that we talked about in the chat room, all based on what? Risk being on the table today. So if you didn't review the risk video, it's posted in the members section. Please check it out, and I will see you in the next update.